What's up and good afternoon everyone, welcome back to another video. We're currently in the Ram driving up to go pick up a new toy. As promised in my last video, we'll be doing more daily videos of like vlogs, lifestyle, you know, what I do outside of Genesis detailing. And we're exciting news, we're actually changing the name to Genesis Driven. So it's gonna be all thing cars related, supercars, car shows, off-roading, business, detailing, all the above. So it's gonna be a pretty broad channel that's gonna have some fun. So stay tuned. We are in the Ram picking up this new toy. We just left Alpine and we're got the trailer behind us. So stay tuned. So we're back at Eddie's house now. Finally got the car unloaded and into the garage. We're gonna do a little inspection of it. Here's what we got. It's a 2006 Sand Cars Unlimited. We popped the hood off to see what's underneath, so don't mind the missing screws here. A little tour of the inside. We're gonna do a whole nother video on this and kind of give you a full rundown. This car is pretty well built. I'm stoked on this one. If you guys know us or follow us, we have a desert page called Genesis Driven. I just updated the name, so give that a follow. You can see more of the stuff that we post and what we do out in the dunes. This is Eddie's build here. He's just about done as well. A little sneak peek. I don't know if he wants me to show this, but that's the LSX 454. The same carbon intake as way over there. This is a big boy right here. Love this car. Coming together very, very nicely. He already updated the whole interior. That's probably my next project. It's got the Lawrence GPS up front, shift indicator over there. Tells you what the gears are.
All right.
Okay, 2481.
So we are exact, yeah. You know what's crazy though? Look how well balanced this car is. So you got 35.1%, 36.2%, 13.9, 14.8.
Good morning, guys. So you saw what we did yesterday. We went and picked up a new sandrail for the desert when season comes around. Desert season starts in October, so I'm really stoked for that. First trip will probably be Halloween weekend, or sometimes we go the weekend after, which is like November 1st or 2nd, depending on what day the weekend falls on. But heading over to the shop right now to go clean up some cars. Got a Shelby GT500 67 getting off the tow truck. It's coming into our shop for some paint correction and coating. This thing is immaculate. Turn this bad boy around real quick. Check this out, ready? It's got roll-up handles, right? But if you press it, they're electric. It's got your buttons right up here. We got a ton of projects going on at the shop today. We have this BMW M3 competition getting a full paint correction and ceramic coating. Got a ton of marring and stuff on the paint, just from improper washes. They had a detailer prior to us, and that guy was just not taking care of the car. So we're gonna get all this stuff polished up. This color is actually very beautiful too. Look at that gold flake in it. I'll show you guys a little tour of this Ford Raptor behind me. This thing, probably my favorite truck that's ever been through the shop. Starting off at the back end, this is my favorite part. I'll show you just from the bed. It's got a full shock 4-link system built. I mean, the bypass rack, it's got, look at that shock right there. The bump stops. This thing is insane. The full truck is built by SVC. Look at the front mid-travel kit in the front. Again, SVC bumper, Baja design lights. It's got an intercooler. So this is the beauty, the GT500. 67 shell on a updated chassis, powertrain, motor, transmission, suspension. This, I am in love. Guys, I don't know how to explain it. This is a beauty. You got to see it in person to appreciate everything. I mean, just by the way the doors open and close, it's so crisp and so well done. Look at the interior of this thing. So mint. Let's be honest, working on cars like this makes my job a little bit more enjoyable. As you can see right behind me, we have a G-Wagon 4x4 squared right behind us, and behind that G-Wagon is a Rolls-Royce Phantom. Time to get working on some of these cars. We're gonna wash this thing. Right now it's about 12:30. This has to be done by 2. So we're gonna knock out a little white glove maintenance detail on it. After the G-Wagon, we gotta work on this Rolls-Royce Phantom. We're just gonna do the same thing as well. We have a mini detail and a full detail package. This one's just getting a mini. It's already got full body PPF and a ceramic coating. So it's just been a few months since we detailed it completely. So now today's that day. AC on, going to the office, and finish up some paperwork. We just did a final inspection on the Colorado over there that Kyle finished up. Made sure it was done to perfection before customer takes delivery of it. Here's a little office tour. We got our monitor set up with our computer, MacBook Pro, little whiteboard. Got a nice little couch here to relax, fan, and a little fish tank with our GT3 RS. Got a little bit more stuff to do in here, but this is where all the behind the scenes go. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up the video for today. If you guys did like this video, give it a nice thumbs up. Press subscribe, stick around for more videos. Comment down below what you think we should do next, what you guys want to see. We're always open to options to see what kind of videos you guys want to see. But, trying to get back to the schedule. See you guys next time. Peace.